There you go.
Yes. Yes.
Again, straight back.
Yes.
If she misses, you go the other way.
Yes. Yes, come on.
Maybe we could
How old
try a
is she?
flirt pole. She's gonna be 10.
Okay. Yeah.
Maybe we can try a flirt pole with her. Like, it's cumbersome, but I know she'll go after it. Like,
Which?
a flirt pole thingy. Let's see if there's a. Okay.
And maybe when you're doing like this sliding around work with her, stay on here so it's not so slippery for her.
Back inserting a little bit there.
And now she slipped out there, and she slipped in here.
Any freezer? Seats, I'll come.
Why don't you go show her how to work the flirt pole?
She actually has done it
Oh, she has?
before.
Okay,
Yeah,
perfect.
she plays with them all the time. in the yard.
Awesome.
You can release her. You gotta say, okay.
There's a lot of actions going on over there.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Lots. Boost. Boost. Yes. Yes. Here. Rifle. Here. Rifle. Rifle. Here. Here. Yes. 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 You cheated. You cheated. Yes, you did. Yes. Yes. Seats. Seats.
What we'll do this afternoon when I do bite work with that little puppy is I can show you how to kind of do a little bit more of that flirt pole stuff. Yeah, I think with also with her, just because the back end's a little bit sore, might want to stick with maybe this afternoon we won't do a ton of bite work. We'll just maybe focus on some food obedience or something like that.
In fact, we don't do bite work with her anymore
Okay,
because,
perfect.
yeah, she's too old.
Yeah,
So she's strictly obedience now.
yeah, perfect.